Scientists ran an experiment where a particle traveled through two distinct slits at the same time, but the moment they set up a camera to measure it, the particle picked a single path. The universe behaved differently because someone was watching. At places like the National Institute of Standards and Technology, researchers study matter at a granular scale. We're talking about dimensions as small as 5 nanometers, 5 billionths of a meter, where the reliable laws of physics start to break down. Even the founders of quantum mechanics struggled to accept what they found down there. Albert Einstein famously rejected these effects, calling the way particles interact at this scale spooky action at a distance. But that fuzziness is a highly predictable feature of nature. At the subatomic level, tiny pieces of matter like electrons and photons lack hard edges. They behave like water waves, rippling and interfering with one another. These wave-like properties currently dictate the limits of modern engineering. Because quantum behavior makes electrons unpredictable at tiny scales, it restricts how small engineers can build computer transistors before they stop following the rules. The reason those electrons become so erratic is due to a concept called superposition. In the quantum world, a particle lacks a single fixed location. It exists in multiple possible states simultaneously. Think of a flipping coin. While it spins in the air, it is a blur of both heads and tails. It commits to one side only at the exact moment it lands and you look at it. Quantum particles stay in that spinning blur until forced to choose by an observer. The way these particles interact with each other is even stranger. Physicists refer to this as quantum entanglement, or more poetically, particles in love. Researchers at NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory have demonstrated that when two particles become entangled, their states are permanently linked. Measuring one particle here on Earth instantly dictates the state of its partner, even if that partner is orbiting a star on the other side of the galaxy. The reaction takes zero time. This defies our classical understanding of the speed of light. Yet the 2022 Nobel Prize in Physics went to 3 scientists who proved this instantaneous connection is entirely real. Entanglement reveals a deeply interconnected universe. Distance and space, as we experience them, do not apply to the underlying machinery of matter. Scientists are already using this connection to manipulate matter. At the Gila Research Institute, physicists are performing quantum teleportation, transferring the exact physical information stored in the spin states of ions from one group to another without moving the atoms themselves. This diagram shows the quantum circuit researchers used to prepare and measure this entanglement. They utilize a protocol involving 3 quantum subsystems, named Alice, Bob, and Charlie. By entangling Alice and Bob, they teleport Charlie's exact information directly into Bob's ions. This level of control extends beyond moving information across space. It allows researchers to manipulate time. Through the quantum Zeno effect, constantly observing an unstable, decaying particle forces it to freeze in its current state. This chart plots the probability of a particle changing its state on the vertical axis against the number of measurements on the horizontal axis. Notice how the probability steadily drops. At 64 consecutive measurements, the bar is nearly flat. The particle has stopped decaying. A quantum measurement physically interacts with the particle, acting as a brake that halts its natural progression through time. This brings us back to the observer effect. The wave function of a particle, its cloud of probabilities, collapses into a single reality only when measured. Some physicists propose that the presence of conscious knowledge forces reality to pick a state. Experiments like the delayed choice quantum eraser push this logic to the extreme. In these setups, measuring a particle right now retroactively dictates the path that same particle took in the past. Time in the quantum realm flows in multiple directions. When Erwin Schrödinger proposed his famous cat paradox, where a feline in the box is simultaneously alive and dead until you look, he was highlighting how absurd these quantum rules seem to our macroscopic brains. But the math holds up. It opens the door to the many worlds interpretation, where every possible quantum outcome creates an entirely new, branching universe. We are already harnessing these rules to build the future. Google's Willow quantum chip recently utilized qubits, which operate in a state of superposition, to complete a massive calculation in under 5 minutes. A classical supercomputer would require 10 septillion years to solve that exact same problem. These experiments demonstrate that certain physical properties do not exist in a fixed state until a measurement occurs. In the quantum world, the act of looking is what determines which path a particle follows, or which state it occupies. Understanding these rules is a technical necessity. By mastering superposition and entanglement, researchers are developing communication systems that alert users to eavesdroppers and computers capable of solving challenges that once seemed impossible.